today? I am good, I am great, and I'm wonderful. Guys, let's remember the animals. So let's go. Look here, what is it? Fish. Very good. So let's repeat. Fish. Great. And this one, this is the dog. So let's repeat. Dog. Great. And this one, guys, this is the rabbit. So let's repeat. Rabbit. Great. And this one, turtle. So let's repeat. Turtle. Very good. Now guys, let's read the story. So let's go. Look here. It's Daisy and Robin. And this one, guys, mouse. So let's say hello to them. Hello. One cloudy day, Daisy and Robin are playing. I want to be a cat, says Daisy. I want to be a cat too, says Robin. Daisy and Robin put on their cat costumes and off they go. So look guys, this is a cat custom. So let's repeat, cat. Very good. Daisy and Robin are on a farm. Look, this is a farm. They see a cat. Meow, meow, says Daisy. Meow, meow, says Robin. Be quiet, says the cat. Daisy and Robin see a dog. Look, guys, a dog. Meow, meow, says Daisy. Woof, woof, says the dog. Be quiet, says the cat. Be quiet, says Robin. Daisy and Robin see a turtle. Meow, meow, says Daisy. Munch, munch, says the turtle. Shh, be quiet, says cat. Be quiet, says Robin. Shh, be quiet, says dog. Daisy and Robin see a rabbit. Meow, meow, says Daisy. Boing, boing, says rabbit. Be quiet, says cat. Be quiet, says dog. Be quiet, says turtle. Daisy and Robin see a fish. Meow, meow, says Daisy. Splash, splash, says fish. Be quiet, says cat. Be quiet, says Robin. Be quiet, says dog. Be quiet, says turtle. Be quiet, says rabbit. Look at the basket. Look, Daisy, babies, says Robin. Be quiet, says Daisy. It's time to go home. Goodbye, say Daisy and Robin. Goodbye, says Cat. Goodbye, says Dog, Turtle, Rabbit, and Fish. Meow, 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 says the babies. So that's it, guys. Do you like it? Yes or no? Yes, very good. So that's it, okay? Bye-bye.